going to do burnouts, which is awesome because it kind of rarely happens.
We're about to do a 0 to 60 and time it to see how fast this car can go 0 to 60. 3, 2, 1, go. There's 60.
Woo! So I got the little time reveal here. What do you think, actually, first?
I think 6-second range.
Well, you're gonna be disappointed. It was 8.15 seconds.
Oh, that's nice.
8.15 seconds is pathetic. I think my Explorer does 0 to 60 in 8.15 seconds. I think this car has more to give. I think you could get better. All right, we're actually gonna go again. I convinced him to do another run. The slowest possible time that you're supposed to get in an ideal setting on flat ground with, you know, no wind or anything like that is 7.1 seconds in this car. So we're gonna try to break 8 here.
Alrighty, here we go. I'm gonna floor it.
Yeah.
Or try shift. I'll shift.
Sure. Yeah, that's the edge we need.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on. Oh, you got it, you got it, you got it. Hey! Yeah!
All right, what's our time? I just manually shifted that.
The second time is 7.64.
Dude.
So much better. You picked up literally a half second. Like just over a half second, yeah.
And that is how we do things here on the Burnout Show. Be sure to like the video, subscribe for more. We have tons of fun content coming out soon, so stay tuned for more stuff like that. That's a wrap for this video, and we will see you next time.